In this video, we show you how to perform a colony PCR. After transforming cells with a potential plasmid, we check if the plasmid has the correct insert size by performing a colony PCR. In a colony PCR, we directly amplify the insert from bacterial colonies. Just like a normal PCR, we start by preparing a master mix. We use GoTech Green Master Mix, which contains the polymerase, buffers, and the NTPs. After this, we only add the molecule water and the forward and reverse primers. Once the master mix is prepared, we divide it into PCR tubes. Using a pipette tip, we pick a small part of a colony we want to test and pipette it up and down a few times in the master mix. Afterward, we discard the tip and use a new one for the next colony. We repeat this process for all colonies we want to test. After preparing our reactions, we run the colony PCR protocol, which is similar to a standard PCR. Once the PCR is complete, we perform gel electrophoresis to check the sizes of the amplified fragments. Colonies with the correct insert size are then inoculated in LB medium with the appropriate selection marker and grown overnight. The next day, we perform a plasmid isolation, which is demonstrated in our next video.